Welcome back, I am your coach Jasmine. In this session, I am going to explain how you can upload your existing employee data into the system. Let's start with downloading the data template from the Employee Data Upload application. You are required to press the template button to download the file in Excel format. The file is saved in the local folder, and in this case you can find this file in the download folder. There are two sheets in this Excel template. One is instructions that explains all important aspects, requirements, mandatory fields, and a description of each field. The first sheet is where you need to prepare your data, and this is how it looks like. Let me open the sheet that I have prepared to upload employee data in T3. In the first instance, my sheet looks okay. It is having a problem with the date format that I need to fix. The instruction sheet explains what date format to be used while preparing the data. The data in the date fields need to be checked and the format should be corrected if required. This is the exact issue with the data I have prepared, and this needs to be fixed first. Let me correct the date format to meet the requirements. In Excel, you can select the dates and change the format by opening Format Cells from the menu and selecting Category Custom. You can define the format here and your data will be updated. Once you are done with the formatting and data, the next is to convert this Excel file into .csv format. You need to first delete the instructions sheet and then save the file in the .csv format. This is my file saved in the .csv format. Let's review the data once again and see if everything is in order before we move forward. One important point here to note is that one of the employees should be CEO or Managing Director and the value in the field reporting to should be left blank, but for all other employees, there has to be a value in this field. There are two other important fields that need prior configuration. One of these is operating unit and the second is work location. You are required to set up both in the system with exactly the same name. Let's open the organization application in the Setup module to verify if both our operating units and work locations are created. I can see two operating units here. The first one is Head Office and the second one is Business Operations, which is exactly the same as my data created in the file. The work locations are also defined and linked here to the respective operating units. So all is good here. Let's go back to my file. Master data such as department, position, cost center, etc. can be created using drop-down listings. However, the system will be able to create the master data automatically if any master data is missing while uploading the data in the system. The next is the reporting manager and HR coordinator. It is important to note that the employee ID of the reporting manager and employee ID of HR managers should be set in both these fields respectively. Everything else looks fine and I can now proceed with uploading this file into the system. Please follow our Part 2 video explaining how to upload employee data. Thanks for attending this session.